So you're leaving?
I ain't staying. That's for damn sure.
Mary.
Look, I'm in his office going over the budget planning for Luke's video, and you know how hard I worked on those projections, and you'd think he'd care.
Well...
No, Reed. This motherfucker looks me in the eye and burps. He burps. He fucking burps.
Well...
And then, oh, this is the fun part. He proceeds to theorize about the authenticity of my ass for 45 minutes.
I mean...
Really?
I mean, he was drunk, Mary. Let me finish the sentence. Look, Norm's an asshole. And he shows up to work late and sometimes even drunk. I don't like him either.
Oh, is that so? Because that's not what you told Rich.
Mary.
In fact, I hear you defended him so well that he got an extension on the fall deadline, so...
Mary, I was looking out for the best interests of the company.
No, you were sucking his dick to get yourself a promotion.
I have 0 words.
I got a couple. Next time you decide to give Norm head, why don't you tickle his balls too?
Right. Because you would know all about that, huh?
Oh, fuck you, Reed.
Look, Mary.
Jesus Christ. Fuck this. The fuck are you looking at?
What the fuck are you looking at? What's going on, child?
I don't know. Nigga, we're stuck in the fucking elevator, maybe?
I don't know. Let me propose a theory. Are you stuck in the elevator, or do you want to be here presently?
Man, who the fuck is your plug? Why is there no service anywhere? You know, this place sucks, actually. Last time we won a Grammy was in 2014, and it was Macklemore.
So you want to fly away?
Huh?
Would you mind a piece of advice, child?
Shit. At this point...
Bird must fly when snake comes around. But man can only slice the snake open.
Nigga, what?
Don't wait for the rain to clear. Don't wait for the rain to clear.